awesome DIY army. Today we're gonna try to do an industrial mirror, which is dope, gorgeous, marvelous, and it makes your space look 20 times bigger. My bedroom is super tiny and I was waiting to tackle this since forever, but as we say in Italian, il figlio del calzolaio gira scalzo. That means the son of the shoemaker goes around without shoes. And that means that you always end up taking care of stuff for someone else, but you're not doing it for yourself. So instead today, we are gonna take care of my bedroom, make this incredible mirror on the side. You are gonna see me changing here like a million times because it took me a long time. I just did it like a couple of hours every day instead of all in one shot, and what you're gonna need is a lot of sticks. Measure your wall and make your incredible mathematical calculation. If you don't wanna do the entire wall and you just wanna make a column, I'm actually gonna give you the notes of the one that I'm doing in the middle because I'm gonna divide it in 3. After that, you go in online and order lots of lots. Yeah, this mirror is called Lots. It's from IKEA. I'm gonna link it down below. Then you are gonna need some spray paint and a lot of sticks. Like this one. The before of the bedroom is this one over here. I have this side of my wall that is completely empty. I have this mirror that is way too small for the room, and that's why I decided to make a mirror from one corner to the other one, take the junk out, and it's gonna make the room look so much bigger. First step is obviously to tidy up everything, and then we're gonna go ahead and open our lots. They come with little stickers inside, so they're squares, rectangulars, and you have to place 2 of them on each side of the mirror. If you see that your wall is not regular, you can go ahead and add silicone or buy extra double tape because you need this to be secured. After that, all you have to do is level it on your wall. Use one of the sticks as a base so that you're gonna go straight and leave the space that you need to go and add the wood in between after. Do like a karate move to break it in half so that you can use it as you go. Always place a second stick in between the mirrors to place the distance so that you're gonna have the perfect measurements without making so much effort, and it's working. Then for the second line, I was like, how am I gonna hold the stick in place? So I added a little piece of double tape on the top so that I could place it and move it ahead with the mirror at every single movement, and it worked perfectly. You put the wood, you level it, add the mirror, and go ahead for all the same thing over and over again. When it's difficult, just hold it with your leg and go over. It works! Guys, we did so much work and I'm so proud of you. We are 1 day later, and yeah, I was exhausted, so I just gave up halfway through the process. But now, all you have to take out is your big amount of sticks, with which we are gonna go inside, take the measurements, cut out the part that we don't need, and then stick it on top. No, first spray paint it, then stick it on top. When it's missing like only 5 centimeters on the bottom to have your perfect entire line with one stick, that's just called bad luck. But yeah, we are gonna have to chop off the pieces that are missing. That's what I was talking about. I'm missing like 5 centimeters to have the entire line with only one stick, but that's just gonna mean that we're gonna have to cut more wood. So what we do is place the vertical lines and then place the horizontal one on top and mark where you're gonna cut it. Now use a jigsaw, use a handsaw, use anything that is more comfortable to you, and do this like 30, 40 times according to how many you need to fill up your mirror. Once you have all of those, you're ready to continue the tutorial. You are gonna see me now on the roof of the pizzeria in front of my apartment for unexplainable reasons. Or better, I don't have where to spray this stuff, and it was late at night and I wanted to finish the tutorial, so that's what happened. Spray all the little woods that you did. You can actually also leave it in wood, but I think that it looks more industrial. I hate when a disaster happens, and it basically happens every time. There we go, sticking the sticks on the wall. I thought it was gonna be way cheaper and way easier to just go in with silicone instead of double tape, but obviously I made a mess. Okay, first attempt was disgusting. I tried first to put the silicone on the wood and then stick it inside the mirrors, but this means that the silicone is gonna spread a little bit right and left while you're trying to place it, and you are gonna stain your mirrors. So for my second attempt, I decided to put the silicone in between the mirrors and then stick the wood inside. That would make the job way cleaner. I don't know why I didn't think about it before. Once I came out with this new theory, the job was way easier, fast and clean. All you have to do is place the silicone inside, Put your stick on top, press a little bit, and go over and over till you arrive to the external sides where you're gonna have to do the same thing. Then go in with the horizontal lines. We have already cut in them, they fit perfectly inside, and you just go and push them inside. Go over and over. It's a very repetitive job, but super simple. Just put your favorite playlist and go on with it. Guys, I hope you had an amazing time, and don't forget to subscribe because yeah, we are gonna tackle all the rest of my bedroom and bring it to a decent, presentable area in the course of the next episodes. So if you want to see how we'll tackle the walls, the ceiling, reassort all the furniture, and add some desks because we all work from home, so don't forget to subscribe down here and leave me a comment if you want me to try something else or different. Let's go and see the result. First, I think we should take some time to look at the before and how sad this wall was before. And now, let's enjoy the transformation! Guys, I am so excited. I was waiting to do this tutorial for so long. My room all of a sudden looked so spacious. The light from outside reflects on the mirror and makes it so bright. And also, it looks taller because the mirror goes all the way to the ceiling and makes the room so much better. I can't wait to tackle all the rest of my apartment so that even the reflection inside the mirror is gonna be awesome. And guys, see you next time.